At Fairmont's historic Anaheim campus, empowered educators inspire students through innovative teaching methods, creating a dynamic and engaging learning environment. Our dedicated teachers are the heart of our success, fostering curiosity, creativity, and a passion for learning in every student. We're proud that over the past 4 years, 3 historic Anaheim teachers have been named among the top 25 teachers in Orange County, a testament to their outstanding dedication and impact. With teachers who bring years of experience to the classroom, our students benefit from the expert guidance and wealth of knowledge. Our middle school design class empowers students to solve real-world problems creatively, combining technology, critical thinking, and collaboration. Through the 8th grade community project, students explore meaningful global issues, developing innovative solutions to make a positive impact on our local community. Fairmont's historic Anaheim campus, where passionate educators and innovative programs inspire the next generation. Re-enrollment is happening now. With so many reasons to stay at Fairmont, why would you wait? Re-enroll today.